Okay, sports fans, we've got the swing arm in place there, got it painted. That's all cool. Starting to mock up what's got to go together, and then, ta-da! We got the rear rim and hub. Buffed up the rear hub, probably much nicer than it should be, but anyway. We don't go half-arse around here, do we, lad? No, of course we don't. Anyway, we got the hub, we got the rim, we got some spokes, and we're going to throw this together, and she should look really nice when we're done. Okay, here we are after slapping the spokes on it. She looks pretty good. I just got to go back, tighten everything up, true the rim, and with a new rim and all that, it's pretty easy. But this went together pretty good. No problems here. Just a tip, if you're lacing wheels or whatever, just starting to get into it and how it works. An easy way to do it is, if I can find it, start with take a picture before you pull it apart, and I'm looking now. Where? Okay. Start with your valve stem hole, which I can't see. Here we go. Valve stem hole, and sort of orient everything to that, and that would be a good start. Then, once you get going, you get your placement correct. You'll start. Remember your rule of 5. You got your outside spoke here, and your next outside spoke is going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your next outside spoke. And then when you get your cross correct, of course, check your insides. Same thing. Relate it to your valve stem hole, which is there. It's an inside, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your next inside spoke. So just kind of one of those rule of thumb things. When you start putting it together, everything should go together pretty easily, and your rule of 5 will work. Okay, boys and girls, it's getting to be about beer 30 here, I'd say. So anyway, we got the rim laced up, got a tire on it. Kind of fought me all the way, but anyway, she's on there. Looks pretty damn good with that rim on there, I'll tell you. Nothing like a set of alloy rims. And we're getting there. Got a hide now tire on there. Pretty good stuff. And hub's all polished up. Got the hardware stuck on there. Everything's got to be tightened up and safetied and all that. But anyway, she's on there, which is nice. And made some progress. Keep your